If you're wondering which is better for VPS hosting, Hostwinds or DreamHost, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to compare these two options head-to-head and explore which one truly delivers the best value for your hosting needs. Stick around till the end because I'll share my personal recommendation, and it might surprise you. Let's start with Hostwinds. One of the first things people notice about Hostwinds is their flexibility. They offer a variety of VPS hosting plans that allow you to pick between managed or unmanaged options. This makes it great for users who want to have complete control over their server, or for those who prefer an easier setup with a fully managed option. The prices start at a competitive rate, but you might find yourself paying more for the higher-end resources, especially when adding extra features like backups or server monitoring. Next thing to note is their uptime and performance. Hostwinds does boast 99.99% uptime, which is a solid promise for anyone who needs reliability. However, while their servers are fast for the most part, users have reported occasional slowdowns, particularly when using the shared resources of a VPS plan. That might be an issue if you're planning on hosting a high-traffic site or need a rock-solid performance. Moving on to DreamHost, it's known for offering both managed and unmanaged VPS hosting as well. The big difference here is that DreamHost tends to be a bit more streamlined in its offerings, which can be a positive if you're looking for simplicity. Their pricing is also competitive, but the lower-tier plans can be a bit limited in terms of features and flexibility. DreamHost also offers a 97-day money-back guarantee, which can help you test the waters without fully committing. However, when it comes to performance, DreamHost doesn't always deliver as promised. Some users have noticed slower load times during peak hours, which could be problematic for businesses relying on consistent site speed. One area where DreamHost stands out, though, is its customer support. They offer a 24/7 live chat, and many users have reported fast response times, which is a huge plus if you need quick troubleshooting. The fourth thing to consider is the control panel and ease of use. Hostwinds offers a more customizable control panel with their unmanaged VPS options, which is perfect for those with technical expertise. DreamHost, on the other hand, keeps it simple with a less complex interface, but that can be a downside if you want a lot of fine-tuned control. Next, we've got to talk about pricing. Hostwinds starts at $5.17 per month for its most basic VPS plan, which is a pretty low starting point, especially when you consider the level of customization available. DreamHost, however, starts at $15 per month, and while their higher-end plans are feature-rich, the lower-end plans might feel restrictive. One last point to mention is scalability. Hostwinds makes it relatively easy to scale up or down depending on your needs, which is important if you plan on growing your website or business. DreamHost also offers scalability, but it can get a bit expensive as you add resources, especially with the managed VPS plans. So, now that we've looked at the key points of Hostwinds and DreamHost, it's time to share my personal recommendation. Both are solid choices for VPS hosting, but after trying all of them myself, I'd say if you're looking for the best all-around option for VPS hosting, there's actually a better alternative out there. If you want to experience a VPS host that combines great performance, uptime, and flexibility, I highly recommend checking out the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. It's a great way to test out the platform and see how it compares to Hostwinds and DreamHost. Trust me, you won't regret it.